Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2010 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 250 horsepower, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include power windows, one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, skid plates, and a split-folding rear seat. Toyota also prioritized safety and security by including head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Come on in and take a test drive.